All right, question number 7. We're almost there, just 2 questions left. If the diameter is 22, what is the radius of this circle? Oh my goodness, we did that one back on number 5. So try and think back to what we did on number 5. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you the formula. The formula is we have the diameter, so we're looking for the radius equals d divided by 2. So you're going to plug it in and write your equation. Radius we don't know, but our d we do know. D is diameter, 22 divided by 2. Okay, so then you're going to get your answer. You're going to find your answer, highlight it, take one of these and bring it up, and then there you go. If you have any questions, let me know, but you should know your answer is just going to be R equals, and then what's 22 divided by 2, and then make sure you label it with DM. And this one's pretty easy. If you have any questions, kind of go back to question number 5 and see what you did. You should have typed it all in here. You don't even have to watch the video. You should have typed everything in here so you could actually go back, look at your notes, and then come here and you should be able to see it. But you should also be able to tell from what we did here. You just need to start remembering these formulas, okay?